Hi there! This is the third video of my folding series and it's all about long sleeve t-shirts. If you haven't seen my other videos on folding, definitely check them out. I'll link them in the cards up here and in the description below. Let's get started. There are two ways to fold a long sleeve shirt. Place the shirt on a flat surface facing upwards. For the first way to fold this, pinch the side of the neck and its corresponding part at the bottom. Pinch and lift. Lift the shirt and now place it facing downwards. Now fold the sleeve. If the sleeve is too long, fold the sleeve towards the side first and then towards the bottom. Make sure you keep everything within the lines of the neck because our goal is to make a nice rectangle to work with. Here, I'll show you again. Now fold the other side of the shirt in the same way, always following the neckline, and fold the sleeve, always keeping the rectangular shape. Now fold in half. This is one way to do it. Another way is to fold in thirds. Place your karate hands on the shirt to mark it in thirds, then fold the neck flap first and then the other flap. Let's review. Remember when you first fold in half to leave some space at the top. The second way to fold a long sleeve shirt is using the mirror folding. Place the shirt upwards and make an imaginary line from the middle of the neck to the middle of the bottom. Do the mirror folding, placing half of the shirt on top of the other. Fold the sleeves back to the side and then fold them towards the bottom, keeping the rectangular shape. Here, I'll show you again. Now fold in half, leaving a space at the top. Now fold in thirds. This is the nicest way to fold them, to have them stand next to each other in a drawer. And it saves so much space. So when you open the drawer, you actually get to see all your long sleeve shirts at a glance. Leave me a comment below telling me which method you'll use. And click right here to watch more folding videos like this one. Happy folding! Bye! Don't you know that